Good morning. Well, it might be afternoon. Actually, it is afternoon. But whatever time it is at your house, I hope it's a good one. It's fairly nice out today. It's like in the high 50s. And the sun is shining. There's a bit of a breeze, but it's not bad. What I thought I'd show you today, for the most part, what I'm going to show you is all the bulbs that I have coming up. A sure sign that spring will be here soon. Nothing's in bloom yet, but it will be soon. So come on, let's take a look. These are mostly daffodil and tulip bulbs and weeds. There's some catnip in there too. You can tell which is which. The tulips are the wider bulbs and the daffodils are the narrow ones, and I believe that's a hyacinth that you see there. And tufts of grass. And here's more. These are a little harder to see because of all the mulch that I put on them. There's some daisies and some of the flowers that I can never remember the name of. And I knew the name of that until I went to say it. There's more. It's too early for me to tell, but I'm hoping that some of what I'm seeing there are some of the new bulbs that I planted last fall. I'm going to go ahead and have some music play while you look at what I'm looking at. Here, there's grass growing. This grass just popped up during the winter. Yuck. Those lilacs are going to be so pretty this year. My winter sowing, the only one that has anything in it so far, is the one in which the yarrow was planted. There are a few little, very tiny little plants down at the bottom that look to be coming up. My strawberries are doing fine. They're kind of buried in all the debris there, but they always overwinter nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little walk through. I know I did. And it felt good to get out in the fresh air, even though the chilly air makes my nose run. It does. Just the way I am. Well, I hope your gardens are bountiful and plentiful this year. I hope that you're able to discern the truth in everything you read and hear. Don't just believe it because somebody wrote it or said it. And definitely may the good Lord richly bless you. I will see you on my next video.